Hey, so today I prepped for painting. I'm still prepping, but I'm taking a pause to do a video. Rachel and I are going to paint the house. So today I dusted all the walls. That's why I'm so dusty. And now I'm putting up tape over the windows and plastic over the windows. I still have quite a few more to do. Something else I did today was the doors. They started to put the doors in. Look how different it looks. That's a closet right there. Look at that. And there's another door. Look at that. I'm also excited to say that my door guy, Miner, put that back up there. Look at that. That old, dirty looking attic ladder. And here is our, look at that. Oh wow, they left some stuff in there. What a surprise. Look at this big closet. Wow. I never knew how big the closet was till it actually had doors. Yay! Hey guys, today is the first day that Rachel and I are starting to paint. Can you understand what I'm saying?
I can understand.
Okay, we're wearing these ventilators because we're dealing with a
paint sprayer.
Paint sprayer, yeah. So we're priming the walls with a primer/sealer. Today, the flooring guys are putting the floors in, or at least they're starting to put the floors in. Hey, I've got this get-up on because I just finished the second coat of paint in our downstairs guest room. And in the meantime, the flooring guys got to work on the floor. This is what it's looking like. These beautiful fake wood floors. Not your mama's laminate. Nope. This is modern day laminate. Hey, I realized that I never actually showed a final video of the painting job that Rachel and I did. We finished painting the house, we primed it, and you can see what it looks like now. There's some pictures I'll include. Oh, there are the kids. Hi guys.
Hi.
I still have some areas that I want to do a second coat. For instance, this wall right here, you can see the little line right there? That's where it needs a second coat. Now I did a second coat on this side, and it actually looks pretty seamless. The house is painted, we survived, and we're ready to move on to the trim.